The next day.
To see the reindeers today. We just had breakfast in the greenhouse.
Reindeer Park.
Chandelier made out of reindeers.
Wow!
Oh, look. The Luwenki people gradually do it. No? He likes you. You got the basket. They like the basket.
那我上那是往 behind you. Yeah. Who's taller? Who's taller?
Come and bless the reindeer god.
Delicious fresh bread.
Here's the bread we just bought. Very light, quite sweet. Very nice. We're at a border station, and because of Mia's passport, we can't go anywhere. Oh no! Why is it always you? Every time we go to a hotel, it's you. Now we're stuck here.
No! Entering the national park.
Do they have elephants here?
What are you trying?
Are you sure? There's a voiceover with an elephant. Wow, stop, we have to take a picture. Oh yeah, stop, right now. Alright.
So peaceful.
We're in an ancient wood, and we've hiked up some steps to a prominent tree. There you go, prominent tree.
Yeah, like that.
Is she making a funny noise? Oh, I see. Why are they purring like? Right, we've just come across a bobcat. Oh, he's just going in a bush now.
Oh my gosh!
White Reindeer Island. Late supper.
10 p.m.
In our broth pot. Look at that. God, it smells absolutely gorgeous.
BO clock.
We've arrived a little bit late because we had to go to the police office and we had supper. Just a finished supper. It's been a long drive. This is our humble abode for this evening. Alpine cabin theme. Here's that over your head. Give nightmares.